Hi all, my name is Gulshan Banu, working as an assistant professor, AI and DS department. So now I am here with a new topic called online search agents and unknown environments from the unit called problem solving. So now what is called as an online search agent? Online search agent is something in which you store an information in a predefined format and you can retrieve all those kinds of informations when and where it is needed. Now in this online search problem, it occurs in deterministic and fully observable environment, and wherever the agent must explore and act with full knowledge of the environment. Now what is the key characteristics of this online search problem is the agent will only know its problem actions, the goal test, and the possibly and admissible heuristic functions. See, now say for example, when you are searching in some Google search or Chrome browser, you will definitely not know about what process it is going, right? So in that process you will be definitely accessing the process in a very different format. Now when you search any informations, those informations will get the information without knowing what is the goal that you are about to get and what is the process of the searching process that you are going to do. Now here in this online search agents, there are different constraints and knowledge that is related to this. The first one is action, the step cost function, goal test, result of the actions, and the heuristic function. Now what is called as an action? Action is nothing but the different kinds of states that you are being explored to it. The next term is the step cost function. The step cost function is something where you will reach the states after the actions have been taken from the defined state. Now what is this goal test? Goal test is something where you will determine the goal of the single process, that is the result that you are attained from the action that is being implemented. Now what is the results of the actions? The results that is being given from the different actions that is being performed is called as the result of actions. Now the heuristic function, we are calculating the heuristic function to get the minimalistic value from each and every values that you are being implemented. Now what is this competitive ratio? The competitive ratio, it is the difference, you can just take as the ratio, okay, between the cost that is being executed and the actual cost that is being defined for the that is being implemented for searching any process. So the competitive ratio is the cost of the path the agent actually travels divided by the cost of the shortest possible path if the agent had completed knowledge of the search space. Now what is this irreversible actions and dead space? Irreversible action is something which you will do automatically, and if the goal state is not reached in a desired format, the process will be done in every action. That is called as an irreversible actions. Now what is this dead end state? Dead end state is something where you will not get any kind of output or something, and the process will be recursively doing in an unknown form. Now what is this safely explorable environment and strategies for online search? Now whenever you come for this safely explorable environments, you have certain things called the environment where some goal state is reachable from every reachable state, that is called as the safely explorable environment. Now where are these being used is the maze problem and the 8 queens problem and all. We will be using this safely explorable environment. Now what is the strategies? First thing is we have to explore the different kinds of techniques that is being used and the minimal cost that is being used for this process. The next thing is the heuristic value that you are being implemented. The next one is handling irreversible actions. For example, if you are searching for n number of process and the process goes on forever and ever, you will not get a solution for it, right? So you have to handle and you have to think like what have to be done for the irreversible actions. Okay, now I will tell you like what is online depth first search agent. As I already told you, online agent is something which is used to in which it will store some space and you can access those elements when and where it is required. So now in this online DFS agent, it works only in the state space where actions are irreversible. Okay. Now you will have different maps and the results that is being associated with it. Okay, whenever an action from the current state has not been explored, the agent tries that action. When that agent has tried all the actions in the state, the agent in an online search backtracks physically and then do the process in another form. What is called as an online local search? See, whenever you're exploring in a very defined place, or when the agent has no prior knowledge about the state and the action of its environment, it is called as an online local search. Now, what is called as a random walk? So random walk is something that is correlated with the hill climbing. Okay, random walk will just randomly do the process, and if it gets a solution, it will have, or else it will have any other kind of process. If the goal is achieved, the random walks eventually finds a goal or complete exploration in if the space is finite. Now we will have the basic ideology of an online agent and what is the basic concepts of it. The first thing is the heuristic estimate. Next is updating the estimate, handling the local minimum. Okay, now the agent stores a current best estimate value of the cost to reach the goal from each visited state. That is called as a heuristic estimates we have already seen. Now updating the estimates is like updating the heuristic value then and there wherever you are doing. Now local minimum is something which you will have the best path to the goal. Now LRTA is something which is defined for building a map of the environment in a result table. Now how will you estimate this cost? It updates the cost estimates from the state it has just left. Best move selection is just applying the best possible way in whichever you are being applied. Now these are the concepts that is related with online search agents and unknown environment and the different methodologies that is being implemented. So in the next class we will see some other topic which is related to next unit. So as of now the unit 2 is completed and the different process I have explained now. Thank you.